Big story from Washington, D.C. Former Trump aide Steve Bannon has been found guilty on 2 counts of contempt of Congress. This after defying subpoenas from the January 6 House Committee. CBS's reporter Skyler Henry live in Washington, D.C. with more on this verdict. Skyler.
Hey, Ryan, good to see you. Well, Bannon faces up to a year in jail, and he could have to pay up to $100,000 in fines after today's conviction. And remember, this all comes because he refused to work with the House January 6th committee, the committee investigating the attack on the U.S. Capitol, thinking that he was covered by executive privilege.
The jury has found former Trump aide Steve Bannon guilty of 2 counts of contempt of Congress.
We may have lost a battle here today, but we're not going to lose this war. In the closing argument, the prosecutor missed one very important phrase, right? I stand with Trump and the Constitution, and I will never back off that, ever.
Bannon refused to comply with congressional subpoenas to testify before the January 6th committee. His lawyers say he did so on advice of previous attorneys claiming executive privilege, even though he didn't work at the White House at the time.
Former president invoked executive privilege. You may not comply. Again, you can debate whether he could have complied in part or in full. He listened to his lawyer.
The judge in this case rejected executive privilege claims even before this trial began. As a result, Bannon's lawyers called no witnesses and produced no evidence in his case.
You will see this case reversed on appeal.
Bannon's lawyer used his closing arguments to question whether the signature on the subpoena was actually that of committee chairman Benny Thompson. Prosecutors argued Bannon openly bragged that he would refuse to comply with the subpoenas. Why didn't he show up? He didn't show up because he didn't want to provide the January 6th committee with the documents. He did not want to answer their questions, and when it really comes down to it, he didn't want to recognize the government's authority.
Now, the House January 6th committee put out a statement in response to Bannon's conviction, saying in part that Steve Bannon shows allegiance to Donald Trump over compliance with the law. Now, you heard Bannon's attorney say that they are looking to see if they can file an appeal. We'll see if that sticks. The judge in this case says Bannon will be sentenced on October 21st at 3 p.m. We're here in Washington. I'm Skyler Henry. Ryan, back to you.
All right. Thanks, Skyler.